good looking.
You know what? You should say for this, what's pouring good looking?
What's pouring good looking?
Day 9, baby.
Welcome to 12 Days of Cocktails and Core.
That's right.
I have my co-host with me, Miss Pearly Prado from Team 3XT.
You know.
And I'm Portia Simone.
Yeah, you are.
And we are on day 9.
That's right.
We're so close. We're so close.
Tell us what today is.
So today we are making a Gold Toddy. Have you heard of a hottie toddy before?
Yep. I like that she calls it hottie toddy.
I call it a hottie toddy.
Hot toddy, as you know, is created for like medicinal purposes. Right. It was actually created by this guy named Robert Bentley Todd. That's why it's called hot toddy.
Hot toddy.
Yep. He gets the credit. Today, Gold Toddy, she gets the credit.
I get the credit for the Gold Toddy.
Don't you get it twisted.
Let's get started. So we have
already.
all of our ingredients here and prepped. We have already warmed our apple crisp cider.
It smells so good.
Yummy. But only reindeers can have it.
That's right. Come on, Rudolph.
I'm Dasher. We're gonna start by coating our mug with agave. You can add honey.
Keep it healthy.
We're gonna coat the bottom of it. A generous amount. We have our special ingredient, which is a gold bar whiskey. You gotta be royal for this.
That's why it's called a Gold Toddy.
That's why it's called the Gold Toddy. Okay. But only reindeers can have it.
That's right. Come on, Rudolph.
I'm Dasher.
I'm so whiskey.
The
I'm
plug.
so whiskey. I'm so excited.
Yes, I'm so whiskey too. Let's pop this baby open.
Pop it up.
Touch it. Touch.
I feel the power.
You feel the power, baby?
This is what Rudolph drinks right before Christmas Eve.
That's how to get the power to like slaves.
Don't tell your kids.
We're gonna add half of our gold bar.
Okay, she ready.
She ready?
I'm gonna go full shot. Is that correct?
Right.
Full shot here. That is a shot.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's brilliant! You don't even need a measuring cup.
Okay.
And I'm gonna save this bottle because it's too pretty. So half here. 1, 2.
I love how she measures. We're gonna add some bitters. I'm gonna actually eyeball this.
So we do though.
Comes with a little bit of orange flavor. Give you that like citrusy taste. 2 shots of apple crisp cider. 2 shots in each of our mugs.
It's called an apple crisp.
It's an apple crisp cider. It is hot, guys.
The crisp because it's hot.
No, it's crisp because that's what it's called. I thought you said it was a little lukewarm. This shit hot as hell.
Oh really?
Burning my fingers.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Oh, that's actually good because I'm feeling a little under the weather today.
I love my friend.
I love her.
Hey.
I love this drink more though.
She don't love me like that.
Now you know.
We also have some Crown Royale, our royal drink.
Or it can be any whiskey they like.
We're gonna do half of this, half a shot, and then we're gonna pour half, and half.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's give this a little twirl for good luck. So we're gonna garnish with some anise start and some apple slices.
Okay.
Friend, what you know about the anise?
Okay. I read that in traditional Chinese and folk medicine practices, star anise is steeped in water to make a tea used to treat respiratory infections. How fitting though with what we're going on. Yeah. Nausea, constipation, and other digestive issues. Good job, friend.
We're gonna drop about 2 of those in there. This kind of actually smells like licorice.
Yeah, I smell it from here. I'm curious how it's gonna taste in there.
Let's let that seep for a second.
Okay.
And then if you want to be a little festive, you can garnish with some apples.
Oh, that's pretty.
Stick them in. We'll just slap that on there. Give it a nice look. What you think, friend?
I want to dip one of them in mine.
Okay.
I just want to see what it tastes like. Oh my gosh, so pretty.
It's so perfect.
It really is.
You ready for this? Cheers.
Always.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Merry
Christmas.
Oh, we just found the corona vaccine.
Yeah, that's it. Oh,
Let them know. We just found it.
that is strong.
This is delicious.
It's
though.
absolutely delicious.
Can I tell you something?
Well, yeah, I know you're gonna tell me anyway.
Right. It's true. I asked that, but I don't really care about the answer. This Gold Toddy, what I like about it, to me, it seems like it has some body to it.
Body yada 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 yada.
Okay?
Yes.
But you know what I'm saying? This has body, you guys.
A cold winter night.
My tongue is having a party right now. All these flavors, I love that you put the orange bitter. I love that taste in there. That was genius. And now I want to taste my apple too.
Let me dip my apple inside my hottie toddy.
Copycat.
Don't be telling me I'm a copycat.
Is it good?
Oh, it's so pretty. We should take a picture.
Friend.
I don't know how much liquor I Can you feel the love tonight?
Y'all, she lit.
I'm tripping. The world for once in perfect harmony. Oh, you know that song? Are you ready for this cheers, girl?
I'm so ready.
Ooh, let's taste it.
Cheers. We already tasted
Oh,
it.
did we? We can cut that part. Okay, this will
It's a
win.
really good touch.
Are you ready to get this core work?
You know?
Because we earned it
Okay.
and we burned it.
All right, friend. We're going to have some fun.
Okay, let's go.
Let's
I'm
push the
ready.
bench back a little. This is called the handle. Get it out of the way. You're going to bring it between your knees. Okay? Squeeze it, friend.
Oh. Wait a minute. I wasn't ready.
One,
The straw. Okay. Oh no, I'm coming.
2. Come on, friend. One sip. You earned it. Burn it till you earn it. Isn't it good? 2 more. One more.
You gotta come through. With this core workout, honey.
Isn't that good?
Whoa.
That's how I drink wine
I'm
every
gonna
night.
do another one.
And she's spraying with the hand. Right? I can't believe we only have 3 days left.
3 days.
Can we just say thank you, Portia Simone, for bringing these amazing drinks for us that celebrates my favorite day of the year, Christmas.
Yay! I know I love it too.
I'm so grateful to God for Jesus and this hot toddy. No, Gold Toddy.
Royal.
Royale.
Because we are powerful queens.
Yeah, we are. And so are you.
Mm.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure you share. And if you do this amazing Gold Toddy, Gold Toddy, make sure you tag this woman.
Okay.
She would love to celebrate you and your creation. And your family's going to love it. Your roommates, whoever it is there at home. And make sure you celebrate.
We'll see you tomorrow. Girl, I'm lit.